Hello, how are you? This is me, Nasrullah Thanoli from YouTube channel Learn and Gain. Today I want to show you how to connect a pressure tank to your water pump to fix your problem in pressure, your washroom, kitchens and everywhere. Let me show you how to connect this tank to your water reservoir tank. So one by one I will show you. Okay, 1.5 kilowatt water pump. Here I use 10 bar pressure gauge for water use. Pressure tank 19 liter. This is 220 volt pressure control switch, mechanical. Non-return valve 2-inch brass. First of all, this is my water tank. I have 30,000 liters and I use 2-inch ball valve and 2-inch PVC fitting. Then the pump is 1.5 kilowatt. Then I used a pressure control valve which is mechanical operated with a pressure gauge for 10 bar, but my pump pressure is 2 bar only. And then you can see here I fix a tab to test the pressure for use external use, and now it's showing here the 2 bar pressure because the pump is running. Okay, and then can you see here you see 2 bar pressure is running and the line because the pump is running now. And this is my delivery 2-inch. I connected a union if we need to disconnect the pump or line for the maintenance. And this is NRV non-return valve for prevention of the back pressure. And there was a connection for a water tank to the pressure tank. Can you see here 19 liter pressure tank which is connected directly for 1-inch PVC fitting. That's all. May you like this video. If you like, please share and comment below for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.